Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Acorns debit card. This card is directly connected to your Acorns checking account, offering a seamless way to manage your money. It's designed to help you spend and save effortlessly, integrating your daily purchases with your investment goals. Plus, you can access your cash at over 55,000 fee-free ATMs across the country, making it incredibly convenient for everyday use. Funding your Acorns checking account is straightforward, whether through direct deposit from your employer or by transferring funds from another bank account. Once funded, your Acorns debit card can be used anywhere Visa is accepted, both online and in physical stores. You have complete control and visibility over your spending, with all transactions easily trackable within the intuitive Acorns mobile application. One of the most powerful features of the Acorns debit card is the automatic roundups. When you make a purchase, the transaction is rounded up to the nearest whole dollar. For example, a $3.75 coffee becomes $4, with the 25 cents automatically transferred into your Acorns Invest account. This simple process helps you invest consistently, turning everyday spending into long-term growth. Acorns prioritizes the security of your funds and personal information. Your debit card comes with advanced security features, and you can easily manage it directly from the Acorns app. If your card is ever lost or stolen, you can instantly lock it with a single tap. Should you have any questions or require assistance, Acorns offers readily available customer support to help you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.